Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.